Hello and how you doing? Today we're going to look at a simple way to add Amazon affiliate products to your WordPress shop without the Amazon product advertising API. So if you're new to my channel, I'm Jim from SEO Marketeer. I put out a series of tutorials and tips and tricks on web development as well as social media. I try to post videos once a week, so please subscribe to my channel if you want more content like this. And leave a comment below and introduce yourself, and I'll be sure to respond to that comment. So how are we doing today? Here I am back. Okay, let's take a look at this. So we're going to start off with a plugin on my WordPress site. So here we're going to do is we're going to go to your plugins, add new. And we're going to shop for WP Amazon Shop. It's going to come up, it's going to look like this under drop shipping and affiliated with Amazon by Amanda Code Lab. This is actually the plugin, but it's going to show up in your WordPress bar over on the side. It's going to come as WP Amazon Shop. That's why I said type that in. So this is actually, so we're going to go ahead and install this plugin. We're going to activate it. So here you'll see you got your settings here. Now this is the free plugin version. I'm not going to go for the paid version. So if you look at it, there'll be your general tab where you can say products per page. If you go to Amazon settings, it's going to look for your affiliate tag, which we're going to go and get in a minute. The other ones, which would be drop shipping, is premium features only, import products, manage products, custom style. So the only thing we're going to really focus here on is the general tab, which comes down. Like I said, you can't really change any of this. Initial products, most of this I just leave checked. The default thing here is going to be a buy it now label, or if you want to actually change this. Sometimes I'll do buy from Amazon, where it's going to actually, we're going to set this up so it'll pop up a page anyway. So we'll take a look at that in a minute. So enable buy it now direct from Amazon, store cart. So these are some of the features you get. Some of these are all, like I said, the list it'll say in the pro version. But right now we're just using the free version. So we head over to my Amazon Associate Central site. Okay, what we want to do here is first off is go to your account settings. Okay, we're here in your account settings. You're going to see a tab where it says edit your website and mobile apps. We're going to want to add the website to the list. Amazon has a little bit. So here we're going to copy your existing URL. We're going to just go in and add it into the list. There we go. Next. Confirm that. Here we go. Now let's go back to our settings again. And this is always a good practice here is to add a new tracking ID. So normally I do that. I'll add a new tracking ID for every time I have a website. So we're going to add a new one for this one. For this one, we're just going to do some pet products. So let's just call it the pet store. Here we go. It's going to come up with some list of tracking IDs. Just use the selected here. Just this way, when you have different Amazon affiliate shops, you'll be able to identify which one's which. So now we're going to copy that tracking ID. And we're going to go back up to the shop store here. So under the Amazon settings, we're going to add your new affiliate tracking ID into this. You're going to select the country of origin, whether, it's in United States, UK. For me, I'm in the United States, so we're going to save the settings. Okay, now as far as the free version goes, you're not going to see a lot of these, so you can't really do too much on import. So we're going to do a basic import, and for here you could search. So if I want to do a dog bed, I can search products. The one thing is I've noticed from this free plugin a bit is that sometimes what happens is my ad blocker blocks it. So be sure to check it on yours. So see, now you're going to see all these products that pop up. So what they're going to do is they're going to import these directly into the WooCommerce store, which is your store for your Amazon shop, assuming that's what you're using here. So let's just import one. So if I import this product, it's going to say imported successfully. So now if we go up to our product list, you'll see it had added the bed into the products. So the one thing is I did notice here is when you do import, it'll import everything. It imports the price, but it doesn't import a lot of the other information that you'd probably want to add in. So you'll see this and it shows a product link. If that's all you're looking for is just a quick blurb, then that's probably fine. You're gonna need to go down and probably optimize it and do all those good things. But the one thing here is what I do normally is let's go back to the product here. So I go and I capture this number. Sometimes this helps, right? And I go back to my product links. And I do a search for that ASIN. And here you'll get, what you're going to want to do is capture the link, right? So here, highlight the code, Control C, capture the link. Then you're going to want to go back. So I'll show you why. So when we edit this, because right now it's just populating it with the information, it's actually not linking it to the Amazon shop. So you can do this manually. So this is always a good thing, right? So here we're going to add our external affiliate product. The one thing is pre-API, you're not going to get pricing updates, so I'd probably recommend not adding a price, but just put it in as like a buy now button or click. So you could leave it as buy product. You could buy on Amazon. Sometimes that's what I'll put it in here as. But the one other thing too is you're not going to get a lot of this. So this is a product link that will pop up in a new page. So what I'll do is a lot of times I'll go back in. So we close this out. I'll go into it and I'll grab the text. So here you're going to grab all this information just for the sake of this video. So we go back in. I usually get rid of the product link that's directly affiliated with it. Add that into here. See if there's any more good information. If you want, you could even grab all this information. Populate that into here. That's pretty much it. So you can set this all up. So if you want, you can go in, you could do your other attributes and stuff, but I just normally just leave it like this. So then we update this. Make sure you save everything. Preview changes. So on my WordPress store, it look like this. So I don't really have the shop set up, but you can see where this is. And if you do buy on Amazon, you click this and it should pop the store open. Well, for right now, it looks like it's still staying open in the same page. So here we are. If you want to get it to actually pop open in a new tab, we're going to install another plugin. Let's go back to plugins. Going to add new. Add in WooCommerce. External. Come in. That's what it's called. External new product tab. Here we go. We're going to install this one. Go ahead and activate it. Okay, now go back to products. Click on edit. Preview changes. Can't remember if this just automatically does it. Yeah, see, there we go. I don't think I had to click on anything. There was no settings to check on this one. It just automatically pops open on a new page, which is directed directly to your Amazon site. So if let's close out of this preview, let's go back to the actual website. Close it. This is something I was playing with. Let's just go to the store because it's not in the menu yet. So if you go to your store, you'll see your products. So you can click on it here, or you can click on the Buy It Now button. Then it should populate all the information that we pasted in. Then if you click on Buy It Now, we'll see it pops it now open in a new tab. So that's what we wanted to do. Probably don't want to keep redirecting people to Amazon away from your website. You want them to be able to stay on it. So, okay, let's see. Like I said, don't think it really does much in the way of pictures. I think it pretty much just pops open in one picture. You can go and add more pictures if you want. So this, you could modify the description a bit if you want, but I would probably stick to what the manufacturer, what the website's actually saying. Like I said, there is some drawbacks to this plugin. It doesn't update pricing. That's why we don't really show the pricings. Once you get more involved in your affiliate marketing, you sell, I think Amazon's requirements now where you have to sell 3 products in 180 days. And you can actually qualify to get the API, then it'd be worth setting up the API and probably using a different plugin, but this will actually get you started. So if you're going to, create a little shop on the website, that's ideally what you want to do. So that's pretty much it for today. It's just a simple tutorial. Hopes it helps you get started. The one other thing to keep in mind is there are other ways to do this. You could go back to products and just add a new product yourself. Like I said, most of everything that this imported from the other thing is, you can name it, you can copy over your text. If you want it to just be your own little short ones and you want to customize them, maybe don't want to use exactly what's on Amazon. So when you go down to your product data, you would just select what we did before was your external affiliate product here, and you put in your Buy It Now price. If you want to put up in pricing, you can do so, but then you would be, subjected to saying probably something that, the prices displayed on the website isn't guaranteed, because you never know if they're going to change the price on the affiliate site on Amazon itself, and when they click through, it's not going to be the same rate that you had actually quoted on here. But if you do want to maintain your own pricing, you can do that on here. Like I said, right now I just added all this text. It should be pretty much optimized. I do a bit of other things on SEO with mine. So there's other templates. So you put snippets. So if anybody does search for the product, something pops up more so than just some boilerplate text that might end up on the website. So there's all the kinds of things you'll get to do as you go along here, is to make sure that everything's properly optimized. You can use those affiliate links in other blog places too. And the one thing about a blog post, right? So if you are going to run a blog and you're just looking to add a shop, you should really have multiple internal URLs facing, as well as multiple externals to properly optimize your website. So if you do create a shop and you are going to write a blog post, you could turn around and say, hey, I'm going to write this on these really good dog beds. You might want to direct them to your own affiliate shop site link opposed to an external link, as well as do a couple externals for better SEO. So that's it for today. So please subscribe to my channel if you're looking to see more content like this, and smash that like button. Thank you.